curtain walls, curtain wall panels. All right, let's pick up with 1002 complete. Save as 1003. Begin. Save as again. Call that complete. Okay, just editing our project notes. Zoom in here. Okay, let's edit these project notes. Okay, so we're going to be editing curtain wall panels. Okay, phase 1. Double click on 3D Show Complete. Zoom in. Okay, so what are panels? Panels are the stuff inside of the grids. So that right there, you can see the edge. That's a panel. If I were to just tab, so I'm going to hover over, it's something that's going to show up in your status bar, bottom left-hand corner, right here. So let me just do that again. Keep an eye on that. So that's a panel. Now that can be anything. So if I click on this, I'm just going to unpin it. You can choose system panels. So these are sort of your default curtain panels. There's glazed, there's solid. Okay, let's pick on it again. All right, what else do we have here? Notice all of your walls, including the curtain walls. So sometimes you might have another pattern at a different angle or something like that, and you can pick and embed another curtain wall in there. We're not going to get into that right now. Mostly we're going to talk about this here. So you can pick things like walls. So if I just go in here and pick a 4-inch brick, I have just put a brick wall inside of that as a panel. Now, if I wanted to put a window, I could even put a window in there. So it still behaves as a wall inside of a pattern. So this really does have some application with just on the design side. What we're going to do here is we're going to just tab through, click on that panel. We're going to edit the type of this wall. We're going to duplicate it. We're just going to call it glass 1. Under structure, we're going to edit it. Under material, we're going to change it to curtain wall glazing. And again, this is something that we can do glazing, window glazing, curtain wall glazing. It's always good to go with the glazing because of the rendering properties are a little bit nicer with the glazing. So let's go with window glazing. And the thickness is going to be, let's put it at 1/2 inch or maybe just do 3/8 of an inch, a little bit less than half. And then we'll say okay and okay. Now it doesn't really look like anything's different. It looks exactly the same, but these behave a little bit better than your typical glazed panel. And especially at corners, which is what we're going to do in a second when we start talking about the mullions and especially the corner mullions. Now, what we'll do is we'll click on the wall type. We're going to go into edit type, and under curtain panel, we're going to edit this and we're going to choose the glass one that we made right there, glass. So now all of the panels are going to get swapped out to be glass. Good. So let's just save that. Close that down, and on we go.